Hi, welcome to Active Art. Today I am doing a double flower pot pour. We've got two of the same kind with the holes in the bottom, and they've got the grooves to let the paint out. I'm going to use white as a base in one and black as a base in the other. And use up some of the fluorescent paints I have. And we'll see how they mix. Just a little coating there. Coating there. Alright, let's try some of this pink. Green. Not too much of that green left. Got some serious yellow going on. Got a lot of yellow. Well, not much anymore. And come back with some pink. And some green. Alright. Finish off the green here. Here. Alright, and let's finish off the yellow. Alright. Put a little bit of pressure underneath the pots, kind of help them finish oozing. Okay. Let's get those into the wash tub. Take out some bubbles I see hiding out in there. Alright. Let's see what kind of magic we can make now. Bring this over in here. A little. And back over here. Let's get it back, center it back in. Some real nice layering kind of going on, especially on the right there. So I'm probably going to leave that. Right like that. Take some of the paint off of these. just so it's not sitting in a big puddle. Catch the edges, get some of the extra drip off. Extra paint on the corner. Alright, I'm going to wipe my hands just a little bit before I try to pick up the torch. Interesting, the black liked to form some cells, but the white didn't really seem too keen on it. Interesting to see how this dries, because it definitely, it's hard to tell. It's almost like an optical illusion right now, because all the paint's even if I look from the side. But looking at it from on top, you could definitely see more layers on this, and this looks a little more flat. But I'm starting to see some come up in here where I can see the paint rising and falling a little bit. That's going to be cool to watch as it dries. I'll snap a photo of it tomorrow, and that's when I'll probably process the video. So you'll be able to get a good look at it. Have a great day.